Hello everyone. The question for this week is on managed floating exchange rate system in macroeconomics. Two statements have been given here. There may be cause and effect relationship between these two statements, or these two statements may be the effect of some cause or independent causes. Statement 1. The exchange rate appears stable in a managed floating exchange rate system because the central bank frequently intervenes in the foreign exchange market. Statement 2. The central bank's frequent intervention in the foreign exchange market gives the impression that the exchange rate remains stable in a managed floating exchange rate system. After reading these two statements, you need to identify which option is correct. Option A, if statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. B, statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. C, if both statements 1 and 2 are independent causes. And D, if statements 1 and 2 are effects of some common cause. Let's have a look at the solution. Out of the four options given, option B is correct. That is, statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 is its effect. Let's understand why is it so. In a managed floating exchange rate system, the exchange rate is not completely fixed, but is also not allowed to move freely without any control. The central bank steps in to buy or sell foreign currency whenever the exchange rate starts moving too much. This keeps the exchange rate from becoming too unstable. Now, some people might think the exchange rate is stable on its own, but that's not true. It's actually the central bank's intervention that creates this stability. Without their actions, the exchange rate could swing wildly. So, the stability we see is because of the central bank's regular efforts in managing the market. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.